Good morning, everyone. I hadn't seen Morris around back, but I went and looked on the front porch, and he's on the heated chair there, so maybe he'll hear me and come. I don't really want to go out front and scare him. There you go, Marty. Now I want him to come have some breakfast. I'll stop recording and holler for him again. I've called, but he's not come yet. I mean, he's fine. He's just laying there. I spoke his name through the window, and he didn't sort of understand where I was, but he did lift his head up. I just wanted to share rustling in the pink over here has developed some really fine color. I love the shape of this little tree. Yeah, looks really nice. And there is some more yellow here on the Koya Madini. It's got some nice new yellow on it. I was hoping if I just talk over here and film for a minute, him and Stripe would come popping up. Stripe's gallivanting since he went out this morning. I saw on Ariadne that a Mr. Maple customer posted that they have in their yard for several years, and it looked a lot different than mine. I don't mean color-wise, not the quality of the leaves or the size or anything, but color-wise. It did look a lot different. It's amazing. People will buy two of the trees and plant them in the same yard, but not exactly the same spot. And the difference in coloration, albeit all pretty. There you are. You came around the other way. Did you see that breakfast is here? Hello, Morris. Did you see that breakfast is here? Hi. Did you not get breakfast? Breakfast is here. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, honey. Let me show you. It's over here. Marty's over here. Come on, Morris. Come on. Come on, Morris. Come here. Morris. Come on, bud. It's up top here. Here you go, bud. If you want some food, it's up here, bud. Good boy. There you go. There you go. Good morning. Good morning, bud. Oh, my tree is at peak, just past peak. I don't know. It looks gorgeous. I'm so pleased with it. I mean, I was really pleased with these two also. But, because this one is bigger and the red is just so vibrant. I'm loving it. It looks great out my kitchen window. So whenever I'm at the sink, this is what I see. I really like that. All right, now I've got dry food out here, but I don't put any canned food up here. You know, Morris was in the chair here, and he's just not going to allow me to come out on the front porch without getting super startled and dashing away. So that's why it's kinder to go around back and see if he'll come on his own. And I certainly want to be kind. This tree doesn't look super great on the ground yet, but boy, oh boy, is it starting to do its thing up here with its color that you can appreciate from the tree house, from the front porch here. Just gorgeous. I went in the house for about 15 minutes and gave Morris a chance to eat. I don't see him and Marty right now. They might be up the hill in the sunshine. I'm going to blow before I change out the water, because we had so many leaves come down yesterday. Dawn did give me good news. This particular tree here and here are about done with their leaves. Of course, there are other trees in the yard that still have a lot of leaves, but the one, you know, causing me to have to blow up here because, you know, they're 2 inches thick every 5 minutes, that's gone away. And there's Marty. Hey, bud. You stay there. I'm going to go across the backyard first. I'm 2 batteries in, fixing to go out with the 3rd battery. And I mean, I love this blower. It makes the job so easy. There would be no raking for me. That would just never happen. It does suck though when you're out at the street and it dies. And you got to come back for either gas or battery. It just, you know, I got to walk all the way out and all the way back again. And it's heavy. This thing is not light with the 7.5 amp hour battery on it. And yeah, we have the backpack one. And yeah, that'd have 2 batteries in it at a time. But that's a different kind of heavy. And I might not like where those straps are pulling on my chest. And you need someone to do the battery stuff on it. You need help getting into the darn thing. And this is just pick it up and go. So I keep on using this. Wow, it's 12:20 and I am worn out. I'll be okay in a few minutes. Rare is the time that I blow for 3 batteries worth of charge. But I have the whole yard and the cul-de-sac and the driveway all back to pre-wind yesterday conditions, ready for more leaves to fall and making more blowing work for me. But it's a good workout. It's, you know, and it's nice out here. And when I stopped blowing and started watering and pulling leaves and sprucing things up a bit, Marty and Stripe were all over me, following me around the yard, hanging out in the sun wherever the sun was near me. So that was nice. I got to spend time with them too. They like it when I'm out here. I like it when I'm out here. Pretty sure I saw a little snake when I moved some leaves away from a pot, and no, I didn't get bit, and no, I didn't have gloves on. And he was terrified of me and ran in the other direction, slithered away in the other direction as fast as he could. But I'm pretty sure it was a snake, a little snake, something tiny, not a copperhead either, because they look like copperheads even when they're small. And that's real. Hi, Stripey. That's really the only snake here that would bite. That would be a problem. We have rattlesnakes and coral snakes, but not in this part of Wake County unless somebody released them. Hi, bud. Hi. Hello. I'm all done with the noisemaker. I'm all done with the noisemaker. There's my Marty. Now I got both of you. I walked up from the front yard. It took them a minute to, you know, follow me up. Hey, bud. I notice you really like that sunshine. Wherever you can find it. There's something very telling about cats and dogs always wanting to lay in the warmth of the sun. And that's whether they're in the house or outside. Nature knows. Marty! Hi, Stripey. Marty, come here. He's not cutting in on your time, and I have enough love for both of you. Nighttime, are you hoping to get a piece of steak? Yeah, when you have eggs, bacon, and a leftover piece of rib roast.
Amen. Yum, yum. Lucky boy.
This one's mine. I have more rib roast and less bacon.
Right.
That's how I roll.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, better late than not at all. We got in our workout. It's 4:45. So the sun is setting.
Falling out of the sky.
Falling out of the sky. It happens so quick this time of year. We had to rest a little bit. Dawn working and me working on the video from yesterday. You know, after we ate that meal before we could come up here. It's going on 5 o'clock. I don't know why the turn into the school is slowed us up so much here. Must be some after school program maybe.
3 or 4 blinkers, left blinkers I saw. So
yeah.
The people are definitely trying to turn left.
But I told you guys, right? They're going to redo Bowling Road, which is the left turn for the school up here. They're going to put in a stoplight there, and they're going to put in some extra lanes. There's a juniper in line there, a white one. You know, they're going to tear up all of that stuff over there here really soon, but not do anything for our street.
Good.
Except for make it so we can't see left to get out.
Yes.
Even worse than we already can.
Correct.
But other than that, it's, yeah. I'm going to build the Grinch coming out of the chimney tonight. A few less pieces than the fireplace scene from last night. This is 504 pieces and 3 bag numbers and 8 bags. Grinch is done and he turned out good. Neither of the 2 sets, the one last night or tonight, have any stickers, and I have to say that I do like that there's no stickers. I made a couple of mistakes on this one and had to take it apart and put it back together, and that's probably a good thing because that meant it was complicated enough to really keep me engaged. I have slightly mixed feelings about the chimney not being the masonry bricks, but I think they wanted it in that dark red, and I'm not sure. I don't know. It turned out good, and I like the way they made the mortar pattern in the brick. And the width that they wanted and the scale they were going for, I kind of get it. You know, 96% of the parts are shaped just like Lego parts, and then there's just a couple that are like, well, Lego doesn't have that part. But then it allowed them to do some cool design things they wanted to do. I don't know why. I mean, the one part, a stud with a bump on both sides, Lego just doesn't have that. Lego has a stud and has a stud with the hole, and then you put like a little bar thing through it. I don't know why Lego's never added a brick with a stud on both sides. Anyway, it was a lot of fun, and I like it, and he's totally cute if Grinch can be cute. And I look forward to setting him up on, in the village when I get the village going after Thanksgiving. Really cool.